Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video of Darklup Dark Mode plugin. As you know, Darklup is not just a tool for dark mode, but a complete box of surprises. With it, you can play with lots of colors and customize dark mode as you like. Today, I'll be talking about one of the many exciting features of Darklup plugin. It is the Exclude Elements feature. Let's have a look. Go to your WordPress dashboard, then head for Darklup. Scroll down and select the Filter Elements section. Now you can see two options on the screen. The one that's below is the Exclude Elements field. Exclude Elements mean you can select specific elements on your site to not change in the dark mode. To demonstrate it, let me get on to the home page. This is how our site looks like in the dark mode. Pretty awesome, right? What if I don't want the header to be changed in dark mode? It looks okay, but the white one maybe look better. To exclude the header from dark mode, right-click on it from your browser, especially Chrome, then select Inspect. On your right side, you can see an ID tag for the header. Go ahead and copy it. Close the editor, and on the exclude field, please use a hashtag before the header ID and paste it. Note that hashtag is for ID, dot for class. To include more elements, you have to use comma as a separator. Now save settings and reload the page. See? The header's all white now, just like how it looks in the light mode. Now let's do the same for another part of the site. Like the form below, it looks kind of grayish in the light mode, and we want the same in the dark mode too. Same as before, right-click on it, click on Inspect, and find the class tag for the part and copy it. Close the editor, then on the field, place a comma, dot for the class, and paste the class code. Save changes and reload the site. See? The form field is excluded from the dark mode. Similarly, we can do this for other parts of the site, like the footer. The footer's all black in dark mode but has a background in the light mode. Same way, inspect the footer, copy the class tag of the footer part and paste it inside the field using comma and dot. Hit the save button and reload the page. See? The footer didn't change in the dark mode and got excluded. This is how the Exclude Elements feature works. Go ahead and play with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.